Hey you guys, my name is Kyng, and today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Here I have 4 lines, and you're probably wondering why. Well, I'm going to be showing you all how I create characters. First, I'm going to write 4 interesting traits of the character in order to make this story interesting. So let's get into it. First, I want this character to be female, so let's write that down. Female. Second, this character will have a companion, like a sidekick, to make their story a little bit more interesting. And I will write companion on the right side of this line just to make sure that I remember to add something right here to make sure that I know exactly what this companion will be. Third, let's say this character is a survivalist, like they live in the wilderness or an uninhabited land or so. Fourth, let's say this character is part of a tribe or an indigenous group so that they won't be relying on technology too much. Now that I have these words written down, I have a better idea of who I want. And it's that easy to create a character. It may not be that easy to create a story, but now I have a basis of what to go on. So now, I see that this character is a survivalist and that they are from a tribe. So we can say that they live in a forest. So if they had a companion, it would most likely be something that would live in said forest. So I'm thinking something like a wolf would work. There, wolf companion. Now I can already think if we have a wolf, it would most likely be in a colder environment. So with all these ideas in mind, let's get started on sketching this character. that's it. Thank you all for tuning in for today's design. If you want this to be a full-fledged story, let me know in the comments below. Might as well go ahead and subscribe too, because I got a whole lot more awesome stuff for you guys in the works. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Kyng out.